Welcome to our guide on unlocking the full potential of invideo AI in video marketing. Let's dive into the powerful features of invideo AI, including automated editing, customizable templates, and voiceover options. Using the right template for your niche can significantly speed up your video creation process. Leverage AI-driven insights to analyze audience engagement and optimize video performance. Maintaining brand consistency is key. Let's see how you can incorporate your brand elements using invideo AI. Effective script writing can turn your videos into compelling stories. Let's explore some techniques for engaging storytelling. Best practices for SEO include optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags. A/B testing can refine your video strategy based on real audience feedback. Let's discover how. Optimize your videos for sharing across various social platforms to maximize reach. Now that you've learned these tips, keep innovating and make the most out of invideo AI for powerful video marketing.